Here is how to mint NFTs on Zora step by step. First, go to zora.co on your browser and connect your crypto wallet like MetaMask, Rainbow, or Coinbase wallet. Once connected, click the Create or Mint button on the home page. Now, upload your content. This can be an image, video, audio, or GIF. Add a title, description to describe your NFT. Choose the blockchain you want to mint on. Zora supports Zora Network, Ethereum, Mainnet, Optimism, and Base. Set your preference. Choose whether it's a one-of-one NFT, part of a large edition. Pick free mint, fixed price, or auction. Set royalties and metadata options. Double check everything, then click mint. Your wallet will prompt a transaction. Approve and wait a few seconds. Once the transaction confirms, your NFT is live on the blockchain and viewable on your Zora profile, as well as marketplaces like OpenSea, LooksRare, depending on the network. And that's how you mint NFTs on Zora. Fast, gas efficient, and fully on-chain. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.